Google DeepMind has introduced SynthID. SynthID is a watermark for AI generated images that's invisible to humans but detectable by AI. Initially available for Google Cloud customers, this is going to be a huge news for all the businesses who are looking to make sure that their copyrights are intact. SynthID is being released to a limited number of Vertex AI customers using Imagen. Imagen is one of Google's latest text to image models that uses input text to create photorealistic images. With this new tool, users can embed an imperceptible digital watermark into their AI generated images and identify if Imagen was used for generating the image or even part of the image. The way it works is that SynthID uses two deep learning models. One is for watermarking and another for identifying, which was trained together on a diverse set of images. The combined model is optimized on a range of objectives, including correctly identifying watermark content and improving imperceptibility by visually aligning the watermark to the original content. If you go to this blog post by Google, then you could see a lot of examples as how it is detecting it. For example, in this one, the left hand side image is watermark and the right hand side is non-watermark. By the naked eye, it is near to impossible to distinguish, but Imagen and this synth ID would be able to identify that and let you know. Similarly, there are different approaches there. For instance, there are three confidence level. The first one is that it synth ID would be 100% sure that digital watermark is detected, so it is likely generated by Imagen. And then the second one is where it is not detected, and then there is also a third level which is ambiguous, where it is not sure that whether it was detected or not, but it just lets you know that treat with caution. So I believe quite a groundbreaking innovation because there are a lot and lot of tools which are coming to market where it is so easy to create image from text, and that could have an issue for the copyrights. But with tooling like this, it would be good to identify the authenticity of the image. I hope that you found it interesting. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.